Hello, this is Chapter 1, Section 9, Perimeter, Area, and Circumference. Perimeter is the distance around a shape. You can think of yourself as a little ant and you're walking all the way around this shape. And as you see here, it says add up all the sides. So on this example, to find the perimeter, I'm going to take 10, add 6, and it's not mentioned, it's not shown over here, but if you're one of those people that have a hard time remembering what to do, so put another 10 over here because it's parallel to this. So 10 plus 6 plus 10 plus 6. And when you do that, you get 32 centimeters. To find the area of this, it's going to be base times height or length times width. So the area of a rectangle is length times width. So in this problem, you're going to take 10 and multiply it by 6 and get 60 centimeters squared. Because it's centimeters times centimeters. This problem, to find the perimeter, I'm going to take 9, because this was 9, plus 12, plus 9, plus 12. So 24 and 18, 12, okay, 1. So 42 centimeters, just centimeters because it's one dimension. To find the area, again, you're going to take the length times the width, so 9 times 12. This next problem is a circle. Circumference is the distance around the shape, just like perimeter over in this one, except now you're going around it. And you're going to have something called pi, and pi is equal to 3.14. So to find the circumference, 2 times pi times the radius. Radius goes from the center of the circle to the circle. So in this problem, the radius is shown, which is 8. Diameter is all the way across. So if it shows it all the way across, you could do just pi times whatever the diameter is. And to find the area of a circle, you're going to take pi times the radius, because a lot of people mess up on this. Pi times radius, not radius squared. Okay, let's come down and look at some of these problems. Your turn. Find the perimeter of this trapezoid. So I'm going to start up here in the corner. I'm going to go 20 plus 18 plus 40 plus 20. And when I add all that together, I get 98 yards. Find the circumference, or the distance around this shape. So I'm going to use 2 times pi, 2 times pi, times, in this case, the radius. So 2 times the radius, which is 11, times pi. Sometimes they say leave it in terms of pi, so I put that at the end. So this is going to give me 22 pi. And if you happen to multiply it out with the calculator, you're going to go 22 times 3.14, and you end up with 69.08 meters squared. Area is always squared. Jasmine plans a sewing fringe around a circular pillow. Shown in the diagram, how many inches of the fringe does she need? So you're going to round it, so that would be circumference. And we found out that our radius in this problem is 5. So 2 times 5 times pi, which equals 10 pi, which equals 10 times 3.14, which is going to give me 31.4 inches. So she would need about 32 inches of fringe. If Jasmine doubles the radius of the pillow, what is the new area of the top of the pillow? Okay, so she doubles the the radius, so that'll be 10 now for the diameter. So that's going to be pi times 10 times 10, which is going to be 100 pi, which is going to equal 314 inches squared, because you're going to take 100 times 3.14. On the next page, when you have to find the area, it's best to just cut it in half. So you could cut it this way if you wanted to, or you could cut it this way, but just cut it once in this case. And so now you have a rectangle here and a rectangle here. So you find the area of this rectangle, we'll call it number 1. And you find the area of this rectangle, we'll call it number 2.